Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So now we are going to talk about special elements that are going to be appended to your letters in order to present some kind of accent or some way that letter should be pronounced. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to write letters, one letter per line. Okay, this is going to be enough. I'm going to save this and let me show you what we have as a result. Okay, I'm going to change this font to huge. Okay, save it again. Okay, it's much better now. Now, in order to append those elements to your letters, you have to provide escape character first and then element that is going to be appended. So in this first case, I'm going to use this first apostrophe, and in order for this element to affect our letter, we have to put our letter in squirrely brackets, and I'm going to do the same for the rest of letters. So now we are going to use normal apostrophe. For C, I'm going to use tilde sign like this. Let's use het for D. And quotation marks for E, equals, then dot. Okay, now letter U, V, capital H, C, escape character for C. Now I'm going to save all of this, and you see what we got. So every single symbol that we could append to our letter is going to produce different kind of result. And you have probably seen these elements in many different languages, like in Turkish, like in German, like in French, Spanish. So in this way you could actually use these kinds of additions to your letters without actual changing keyboard settings. So this is all for this episode, guys. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So if you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!